finally trying that half braid, half sewn look. Let me show you how I got it. This wig gives you that look very easily without having to do anything to your hair. So let's talk about the benefit. Oh, this is a 16 inch, by the way. It has lots of parting space in the front, and it also comes pre-braided. This has the drawstring, and then you also have the combs on the inside. Okay, so this is what it looked like, just applying it. You cannot see any of the wefts. There's no bulkiness. It lays super flat. I've seen so many girls do the half wig braids and then it'd be a big lump right here. No, you don't even need to worry about that with this. Look how natural it lays.